Hello, spelling group number one. Are you guys ready for your new words for this week? Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. You guys are not doing spelling books, you're doing line paper. So you're going to write your name. Let me get a better pen. Write your name on the paper, and today is October 5th, 2020. All right. Your first spelling word is with. With. It's one syllable. With. He who walks with wise men will be wise. With. Write it first and then look at my spelling to correct yourself. You may not need to correct yourself. Easy word. With, one syllable. We have a vowel that has two sounds, and I is the first sound. With. It's using its first sound. We don't need to mark it. We have a multi-letter phonogram that has two sounds. With its first sound. We don't need to put a 1, just underline it. If it was a second sound, we put a 2 on top. The next word is our. Who do we put our faith in? Our. Who do we put our faith in? One syllable, and it has a ow, o, u, multi-letter phonogram. All right. So we have a phonogram here that says ow, o, u, 4 sounds. Our, which one are we using? First, second, third, or fourth sound. Ow, o, u, Our, ow. It's a first sound, so we don't need to put a 1, just underline it. Your next word is same. Same. We have the same shoes. Same. All right. S has two sounds. We're using the first one. The two sounds are s, z. We're using s. We don't need to mark it. A, ah. Same. We're using the second sound, a. Why is it saying its second sound? We have a silent E that we double underline silent letters, and there's 5 rules to using silent E. The first rule is, rule number 1, it's there to tell the vowel to say its second sound, and it is, so it's rule number 1. Right? If it was rule 2, 3, 4, 5, we will put that little number here, but we don't need to put a 1. Your next word is fine. Fine. One syllable. Fine. They have a fine suit on. Fine has several meanings. Fine, it's like I'm fine, I'm okay. Fine means very nice. Fine can mean a penalty charge, like if you throw trash out your window, the policeman will fine you $500. That's a penalty charge. Okay. Fine. I. It's a second sound, I. The silent E is there to tell the I to say I. And number 5. Let me erase something. Okay. The next word is name. Name. Please write your name on your paper. Name. You should know how to spell this. It's on all your papers. Okay. Name. A, are the three sounds for this letter. It's saying name a, it's a second sound. The silent E, rule number 1, tells the vowel to say its second sound. Okay, so it looks like we use the same rule, silent E rule, for 3 words. We have a ow, o, u multi-letter phonogram here and a z multi-letter phonogram there. All right, so these are your 5 spelling words for this week. On Tuesday, I will give you 5 more spelling words. And also, you know what? Let me give you, hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to start doing something different this week. After I give you your spelling words on Monday and on Wednesday, I'm going to give you 5 phonogram, multi-letter phonograms. I'm going to show you the card. I'm going to say the sound, and then I want you to write it underneath the last word, or it could be right next to here, wherever you want on your paper. Don't crowd them together. Make sure if they're on the same line, you leave a space between each phonogram. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to say it. I want you to repeat after me. Then I want you to write it and say it at the same time. It's important that when you're writing it, that you are saying it at the same time, because what you see and what you say, what you hear, will make it permanent in your brain, okay? We want it to stay in your brain. All right, the first word is shh. Shh. Go ahead and write it and say it as you write it. Write them in cursive, please. Shh. The next multi-letter phonogram is E. Double E always says E. Write it and say it as you're writing it. The next one has 2 sounds. V. V. Write it and say it as you write it. That was number 3. Number 4 is ch, k, sh. Sounds. K, sh. Write it and say it as you are writing it. That was number 4. And number 5 is or, as in Lord. So when you're writing it, or, as in Lord, say it. It'll be easier for you to remember it later, okay? On Wednesday, I'm going to give you 5 more, all right? And on Friday, I'll probably pick a few to test you on along with your spelling test. So Wednesday, we'll see you on Wednesday's video. I'll give you 5 more words and 5 more phonograms. And on Friday, I will test you on your spelling words and these 5 phonograms. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.